Welcome to another episode of Birdies and Bays, featuring today our two siblings, sibling rivalry.
Twins.
Versus his Achi, Architect Queserida.
Patay.
Let's see who will score better among the two of them.
Ken, pagpapildi ha?
Okay.
Wala!
Okay ra. Maigo na ko taro.
Ay, kick right.
Wapo si.
Dili man ko kung nag-target sa green. Mahadlo ko.
Hello? So 70 yards to the pin. I'll try to flop a little bit. Hoy!
Guwapo! But lang yun. I do not trust myself.
Go, kaya na. Halati si Ben. Stop.
Pababa! Uy! Sige, madouble pa ko ani ba? Nice spot!
Ay, sorry, Ti. I love you, Ti. Chamba lang.
Yup.
Nice spot.
Gogi! Grabe, wala ko ilang in-score. Paita, uy.
Kendrick nang won against his Achi.
Thank you, Ti. I love you, Ti.
Dapat, gidiretso na ko to sa green.